Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to set a font style, a font size, a default page view and the number of sheets while creating a new Excel workbook. So at the moment you can see that the font style is Arial, the font size is 9. I only have one sheet in this workbook. And to change this, I have to go to the file tab. Then here you can see more, click on options, then under general tab you can see when creating new workbooks section. So under this section you can change the font style. Let's say I want to select Calibri, then you can set a font size. Then you can also set the default page view. So right now it's normal, let's change it to page layout view and the number of sheets to 3. Okay, now it will ask us to close the Excel and open again so that the changes will take effect. So I'll close this Microsoft Excel page. I'll open a new workbook, blank workbook. And yes, my page view has been changed. There are 3 sheets. The font has been changed to Calibri and my font size is also updated. So that's how easy it is. Hope you find this video useful. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.